I just joined My World. That's an app I was introduced to by my neighbor who goes for a walk with his dog every morning. His name is Alex. Allow me to explain to you our products, the process in successful network marketing. Now, I joined with Alex without any selling or convincing. We were just having a conversation. I said, "Are you retired?" And he says, "Sir, you never retire from life. You might go from job to job, but no, I'm not. I work and I help people save money." That piqued my interest. What does it exactly do? Are you a financial advisor? He says, "No, sir. We have an app. It's called My World. When you go shop at Canadian Tire, Loblaws, Walmart, all of these places, you collect points, and each points is the dollar." After having a conversation, now he wants to understand our product, our process. And I say I work with a friend of mine from USA called Jack Bossman. We have Camel Care Network for entrepreneurs. We teach them. We have educators who will teach our audience, those who subscribe for this Udemy channel and this Udemy course, all that you need to succeed, because network marketing gives you that power. Alex told me that My World app is available in 50 countries. If I go to Calgary to visit my son, he says, that ticket is tax deductible. If I go have an ice cream and I want to deduct that from my income as a Camel Care partner, an ambassador, that's tax deductible. So is in My World. So is in every network marketing out there. Only difference is this network marketing does not teach you how to sell, because there's no selling. It sells by itself. Who wouldn't want to save money, for example? Who wouldn't want to create an additional source of income, for example? Who wouldn't want to be a part of a positive community that has daily inspirational messages and people that would hold your hand, take you from A to B to Z to all the way to the end? Who wouldn't want to be a part of that? I would. I have joined many organizations before, starting with my first speech, which I stood up in an audience of about 25 really great people who had retired from various careers, and they were going to listen to my speech. So I stood up to give a speech. The words didn't come out. My knees started to shake, and if I wasn't the one presenting, I would have gone home. It was that bad. But over time, you get better. You learn, you grow, and you associate with the right people so things can flow, not sell. If you're trying to sell me something, you better have all of the answers, because I'm going to dig into that. I'm going to see, what are you selling to me? Except if I specifically, and I'm a good buyer, by the way. I do buying for Camel Care. I do the design of Camel Care products like this hat and socks that I wear. I spent my money where I can get equal value. Now imagine you are out there and you sign up to work with Jack Bossman, Arif Gilani as educators on Udemy, and you become so proficient that from that shaking knee moment to this video right here, you'll be able to talk to people of all backgrounds with confidence. I have audiences who are doctors, who are engineers, who are politicians, my own uncles, families who are high doctors. My family has been in leadership and healthcare for generations, because healthcare is mental care. You may have 1,000 problems right now, unless you get sick. then you only have one problem. How do I get my body out of this sickness? How do I separate this illness out of this body so I can be myself again? If you have health challenges, I've got great news for you. I'm co-hosting a couple of courses with people who are out there in the health and wellness industry. And they have all the tips. All you need to do is really sign up for meetings to meet Jack Bossma. That's first step. Number 2, if you want to sign up for our courses, they're all free. You don't have to do anything except to go Udemy, check out Camel Care University, or just put Arif Gilani, and you will get all of these courses, and they are free. Now, what will cost you money? To join us as an ambassador, you need to learn about the product that has no selling. So we've got a dozen of socks prepared for anyone who wants to try them out. And you can sign up anytime, anywhere, online, right here. Education is the highest calling of any human beings. If you have a message, if you think you have a business that makes an impact, if you have a voice, you got to be on Udemy, because that's where we really file all of our inspirational videos, courses for learners to come and join this community. So no selling, no pressure, only understanding the process and the product. And in my mind, everyone out there that buys has my money in their pocket, because I got your products on my shelves. I'm Arif Gilani, founder of Camel Care. Check us out. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video where we talk about details of your involvement and the step number 4 in successful network marketing.